In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a wrong deposit detail in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances accurately in QuickBooks Online is crucial for both your peace of mind and for keeping your business running smoothly. Mistakes can happen, but the good news is they're usually easy to correct if you know where to look. Let's dive in and walk through the process of correcting any deposit detail errors you might encounter. First, you'll want to open up QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left-hand panel on the screen. You'll notice a section labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to managing all of your financial entries. Under the Transactions menu, you'll find several options to explore, but today we'll focus specifically on bank transactions. This tab is essential because it provides a comprehensive view of both your recent and previous bank transactions. Take a moment to click on this tab and you'll be presented with a list of all your transactions. This section is designed to give you detailed insight into where your money is coming from and where it's going. Now, what you need to do is locate the specific deposit that contains the error you wish to fix. Scroll down through your transactions. If you have many transactions, using the search or filter feature could save you some time. Once you've pinpointed the transaction with the wrong details, click on it. This will open a more detailed view of the transaction, allowing you further options for editing. Within the detailed view, you'll notice a hyperlink labeled Deposit. This link is your next destination. Click on Deposit, and it will lead you to the Bank Deposit Details page. This is where you'll be able to see all the information linked with the deposit, date, amounts, and accounts involved. Carefully review these fields to ensure you understand what needs changing. If you spot the mistake, perhaps in the deposit amount or the date, this is your chance to make it right. Simply click on the fields that need adjusting and correct any incorrect information. Be thorough here. Going over all the details twice is a good practice to ensure everything is in order. Once you've made the necessary edits, it's time to save your changes. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on it and your corrections will be committed. Your deposit details are now updated and hopefully you're feeling relieved. Fixing these errors promptly helps maintain accurate financial records, which is crucial for any business. And there you have it. You're all done. Correcting these errors in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know the right steps. Keep these instructions handy for the next time you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.